Morning, people. Good morning, good morning. Welcome back and welcome to this channel where every day is a reading from the Jamaican New Testament. My name is Dominic Richards and today I am recording from my gym. Yeah, these are resistance bands and some weights in case you're wondering, I want nothing in the background. A gym me there, see? Yeah, so just relax. All right. Today we're going to be continuing reading through the Gospel of Luke. We're going to be in chapter 11, reading from verses 37 to 52. See, before going at that, YouTube with it, say, I already know what to do. Do the right thing. Like, share, comment, subscribe. And turn on the notification settings and set it to all so you never miss another amazing video. Now, we're going to God word now.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
All right, people. Luke chapter 11. I know this is not NIV or KJV, the Jamaican New Testament, is it me? Yeah, Patwa we are dealing with. All right. Luke 11, 37 to 52. If you find it, when you find it, say, yeah. I'm hear you. All right, forward. After Jesus done talk, one Pharisee invite him in him yard to come down with him. So Jesus go with him, and when him reach, him sit down at the table. The Pharisee shocked for say Jesus no wash him hand them before him start eat. Cause this is sitting where the Pharisee them do, cause them think that will make them right with God. The Lord said to the Pharisee, now on a Pharisee, on wash the outside a cup and plate, but in our heart, on greedy and wicked. The whole of a fool. Not the same one will make the body, make the heart too. Give to the poor and do it from our heart. And then that we show say everything, say everywhere clean. All of una Pharisee, trouble for uno. Cause out of every 10 bungle of mint, tea bush, and the sitting them where una grow in una garden, una give God one. But still, una not deal with people fear, and una no love God neither. What una fit do? I deal with people fear, love God, and give God the one out of every 10 where una have same way. Una Pharisee, trouble for uno. Cause una love sit down in the best seats in the Jew them church. And una love when people give una special howdy when you go to market. Trouble for uno. Cause una come in like grave where people walk on and you know say it did it. True them not have no mark on them. One law teacher answer Jesus say, Teacher, when you say them sitting here, you are disrespect with you. Jesus say, Una say all I want to teach the law? Trouble for you. Cause wanna pack up the people them with load where them can barely manage. And uno not even lift one finger for help them. Trouble for uno. Cause wanna build tomb for the prophet them. And are the same people where wanna come from kill them. When wanna build tomb for the prophet them, where uno people kill, what uno say are that uno people did right. Sake of this, God were wise in every way say, may we send prophet and apostle give them, but then we kill some and them are gonna make some of them suffer. The people them from that time I figure answer for all of the blood of the prophet them, where them people kill, where them kill from the world start. From Abel, go right down to Zachariah, where them killed between the altar which part them burnt sacrifice in a God house. Yes, me I tell you no, the people them from that time I figure answer for all of them. Trouble fi uno. We teach the law. Cause una take away the key, we open the way for people understand and know God word. Una never go in and una tap other people from going in to trouble for uno. God word this.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.